So the first family, kasi it's a sitcom style, and usually we do like 1 or 2 takes, and it's just the cameras are already set up. Pero dito kasi, sa Mutya, naninibago ako kasi may reverse angle, wide angle type shot.
It's like a movie.
Yes, it's like a movie talaga, so it's all new to me. And of course, with the great director that is directed, that is guiding us throughout this whole experience. So it's all really a learning experience every time I come to the set.
Actually, I'm very surprised. At first, I was syempre being careful, showbiz royalty, right? Baka hindi ko pwedeng pagalitan, baka hindi ko pwedeng sigawan. But the thing about Andres is that siya mismo, kumukusa siya to really learn kung ano yung craft. And even yung body activity na notice mo na kakulitan, si Andres yung pasimuno nun, may GC sila ng mga lahat ng Section E boys, nag-invite siyang mag-basketball sila together. Kaya ngayon, parang all for one, one for all na talaga sila. So, yun na appreciate ko Andres na kahit na isa siyang mulak, okay lang na sigawan. Okay lang okay lang na talagang pipigain mo. And wala sa kanya kasi he wants to learn, he wants to hone his craft.
So you mean nasigawan mo siya?
Hindi naman po. Ano lang, like for example, sa mga normal naman sa isang director, pag sobrang, impatient na minsan sisigaw ka, ano ba, gano'n. So, okay, hindi naman yan sa kanya lang. Kumbaga sa lahat yun, like, pag magulo, makulit, yung parang behave. Kasi makulit talaga sila, 16 boys eh. So, ang hirap talaga nilang i-control. Pero, yun yung kinakatakot ko kasi baka yung iba, baka magkaroon ako ng special favor kasi Andres Mulak siya, yung parang iba hindi ko yan. No? Pero, equal yung treatment sa lahat at okay lang sa kanya. Bumabanding siya sa iba, tumatambay siya with them, nakikipagkulitan siya with them. So yun talaga yung pinaka-appreciate ko kay Andres.
Pero direct na patunayan niya bang anak siya ni Aga Mulak? Siyempre, Aga is known for talagang one of the best actors sa ating industry, di ba? So, si Andres ba, lumabas na ang pagiging anak ni Aga na magaling umarte?
Mape-pressure siya doon. Ayaw na nang nako-compare siya, but definitely he has it. Nakita mo naman in a short amount of time, from the day one hanggang ang laki ng improvement. From Tagalog, from the nuances, from the acting, ibang-iba mula nung nag-start kami sa workshops. So ito pala yung first niya na narrative So what more kung mahasa na siya, mas marami pa siyang gagawin. So I'm just excited kung saan papunta yung career.
Yeah, Andres, it's so exciting, nakaka-proud. Anong napipil mo ngayon? Anong marinig mo yan?
Sa totoo lang, I feel super touched, and knowing that I get to work with a great director that is directed in my first series project, my first serious project. It means a lot, and I'm really glad that he's taking good care of us and me as well.
Yeah. Anyways, congratulations with Abuchanan Section E. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. So, alam naman namin, isa kayo sa mga nagpasikat ng mga love team dito sa Pilipinas, nila Lisken, di ba? How is it working with them? At anong nakikita niyong potential dito sa bagong love team na to? Andres and Ashley.
Actually, sobrang laking potential po. Simulan ko na sa diba yung formula yung talaga is opposites attract. At dun pa lang, kumbaga kikiligin ka pag medyo they come from the opposite side of the world and then hanapin mo yung what's common in them, paano sila magkoconnect. So, dun pa lang sa personal background nila, yung parang na-excite ka na kung anong pwedeng mangyari once na yung plot is mai-love na sila sa isa't isa. Pero yung ako naman personally din, in launching a love team, hindi naman talaga siya dahil lang doon. Dapat din hinumo nila yung craft nila, yung acting nila, at yun naman yung gusto ko sa dalawa. Like si Ashton, sobrang, she worked hard to get this role. She's been in the business for many years already, and finally she got this big role. At talaga naman sa set, kitang-kita mo yung hunger niya, yung gigil niya na patunayan yung sarili niya. That's what I appreciate about her. Nagtutulungan sila. And yun, so kumbaga, ayokong sabihin na sila na yung next big thing, but of course with the, sana nga ganun. Para nakaka-proud naman kasi syempre parang mga naging anak ko na rin sila. Wow, dito. So parang, yun naman eh, like for me as a director, alam ko naman yung purpose ko is for me to make the dreams of these actors come true. And if that means because of this project, they did it big in their future, in their career, then I will be very happy with it.
Thank you, Derek. Yung last question ko to the three lead cast, sila Robin, Andres, and Ashley. Kasi parang you will lead the group. Kumbaga kayo yung pinaka-head of these three. Especially to Andres and Ashley and Robin. How you work on your chemistry. Kasi nakita namin na parang sa trailer kanina, like yung eksena ni Andres sa ni Ashley, yung pagpindot ng ilong, something like that. So parang how you work on that? Parang nag-usap pa kayo or parang nag-workshop pa kayo? Yeah.
Yung chemistry po namin tatlo, siguro mas naging okay after the workshop. Tapos, si Ash kasi, na-work ko na siya before sa The Ship Show. And kaya hindi namin ikakayaan sa isa't isa. Tapos si Andres naman, nung una ko siya nakita, talagang nagulat ako eh. Kaya siyempre mula. Tapos gwapo, tangkad, parang kinakabahan ako makipagtrabaho sa kanya. Pero ayun, after the workshop, nag-aaya na siya lumabas, nag-basketball kami, food trip, kung saan. Eh, nakaklose ko na si Andres, kaya nawala na yung hiya ako sa kanya. Tapos,
walang hiya na siya.
Ayun, ang ganda na ng mga scenes namin. Abangan niyo guys.
Ashley, sabi nga launching mo to, ano, napakalaking big break sa'yo.
Opo. Ayun din, katulad din sinabi ni Robin, nagkasama na po kasi kami sa work before, so hindi na po ako ganun nahirapan at hindi po ako medyo nahihiya sa kanya. And kay Andres, nung una nahihiya talaga ako, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-approach kasi natatakot ako, ay pwede mapansin, gano'n. Pero hindi, siya pa yung naunang nag-approach sa amin lahat, tapos nakilala niya pa yung sarili niya. And nung siguro ang effort na ginawa ko lang after namin mag-photoshoot ba yun, nagawa akong GC namin tatlo para mas maging close kami. Tapos after nun, wala, okay na, nag-chat na lang kami. Sobrang natural na lang, hindi na pinipilit. Yan po.
Thank you. How about Andres?
Para sa akin, feeling ko nga that the chemistry from day one, for all three of us, dun na. You know, I felt like, from the day that I met these guys, everyone in the cast, like I felt comfortable, and I know as well that they felt comfortable with me after a while, maybe. Pero, yun na, I just felt na from day one, it was all the right things coming together.
Thank you, and congratulations with yan ang section.
Thank you!
Lagi po siya, lagi pong tulog.
Tulog na dito. Ay, during class? Ako nagkaklase?
Oo, during class.
Good job.
For me naman, I think it's just like the playful energy talaga. Like, I just... Uy, mo ba? Gusto niyo ba mag-Tagalog ako? Sige.
Translate or
Translate ba? Kapag tinagalog ko na yung buo, evening ako mamaya. Ikaw do, okay. Pero sa akin, talaga yung playfulness din. Nung bata pa ako, sabi ng mga kong sobrang kulit ko habang ngayon. And hanggang ngayon, and parang na-feel ko na I just love being a kid at heart talaga. Na kahit matanda na ako, I'm getting to that age where I'm taking more responsibilities. I just love to look back to the fullest and enjoy as much as I can. Mas lalo ngayon na mga kasama ko, they keep the energy up really good. And yeah, thank you.